Igo eskuru Omobiria Secondary School ebyo gotoka ime ward ya Boikanga ebuke ya South Mugirango ira ya moyabo h school chichanya tukwaje kolibuja naero asabanya kwa bakokera babwate agose koira abana emia eyemo na 20 gochia ase university abo gatabukana gose abo babwate grade getaniti AC+.
Take this opportunity to really thank our God because of this far. We have really made it. It was a good deviation. Having a positive of 1+ is not a joke. Our students have really worked hard, smart. They have tried their level best to give us a very good mean of 7.763. So we really appreciate that God has assisted us, has enabled us to be to this point. So we take this opportunity to thank our principal, our teachers who coordinated with the students, even the school community who assisted the students, who gave them ample time to this far. We really thank all those who assisted us to reach this far. So we encourage these other students to really work to make sure that they have made it. So we take this opportunity to say again, thank you. About the breakdown, our school mean was 7.763. Our mean the other year, that is 2024, was 6.1. So we had a positive deviation of 1.663, and our university direct entry was 128 out of 160, and that made a pass of 80%.